everyone, my name is Srishti and today I'm going to show you how to make my recipe called Nutty Mix.
Okay.
So what all you need is that you need a tablespoon, a spoon, some almond slices, almond butter, pistachio slices, Nutty and vanilla sweetener.
Okay.
And so, how do you do it? So, first you open the Nutty bottle and then take 1 tablespoon of it. Alright. Then, after putting in the Nutty, then what you do is that you just wash it off so that it doesn't merge in the other food containers.
You can take another tablespoon meanwhile. Okay?
Just wash it.
Okay. This is hazelnut. This is magic almonds. This is sweet drop, sweet leaf, sweetener, pistachio slices, and these are almond slices. Okay.
Alright. I have just washed it and now you take 1 tablespoon of almond butter. There. And so after that what you do is that you again wash it.
Not required. So now what do you want?
So now, okay, you can wash it if you want, but it's okay for me.
Okay. So there are some measuring spoons here. You can take whatever you want.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Alright. So then you take the pistachio slices box. And then you take 1 tablespoon of the pistachio slices.
Okay.
And then you do the same thing for the almond slices. And so after that, this is the final step that you're going to do. You take 5 drops of the vanilla sweetener and then you're all done with the ingredients. Now you just mix it up. And there, you're done with it.
So this is ready to eat?
Yes.
That's nice. Thank you for the nice recipe.
You're welcome.